at Sharda University, and I welcome all of you on behalf of Department of Ophthalmology today in this webinar on values and rights. For today's webinar, our patrons are Shri P.K. Gupta sir, Chairman Sharda University, and Dr. Manisha Jindal ma'am, Dean, School of Medical Sciences and Research. Dr. J.L. Goel sir, Professor and Head of Ophthalmology, is the convener. Dr. Abha Gehlot ma'am is the Professor of Ophthalmology, is the co-convener. And myself, Dr. Monica Kapoor, Dr. Divya Singh, and Dr. Charu Malik, Assistant Professors, are the coordinators. With great pleasure, I welcome our esteemed guest, Dr. IVS Gehlot sir, CEO and Medical Director, Park Hospital, Faridabad, who is the speaker for today's event and found time for us despite his very busy schedule.
Recording in progress.
I will now invite Dr. J.L. Goel sir, Professor and Head of Ophthalmology, to introduce our guest speaker.
So good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce Colonel Dr. IVS Gehlot, which is our guest speaker today in this webinar. Dr. Gehlot has done his MBBS from Bikaner Medical College, Bikaner, and he has done post-graduation in human rights, hospital administration and personal management from Indian Institute of Human Rights in New Delhi. He has done his PhD from Berhampur University, Odisha. He has served with dedication and utmost sincerity in the armed forces for 34 years in the capacity of commanding hospital and superannuated as All India Director of Medical of ex-service man contributory health scheme. As a faculty, he was instrumental in establishing hospital administration course in first center of IGNOU for Northeast. He was also a visiting faculty and examiner for hospital administration in Balaji Institute, Pune. With this background, now I invite Dr. AVS Gehlot to speak on his favorite topic, values and rights. Dr. AVS Gehlot, please. Dr. Gehlot.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir? I am audible.
Yeah. You are audible.
Yeah. In fact, at the outset, I must thank Dr. Manisha Jindal, Dean Sharda Medical College and Sharda Hospital, Dr. Goel, Professor and HOD of Department of Ophthalmology, Sharda Medical College, Dr. Abha Gehlot, and other faculty and the whole staff of Medical Department of Ophthalmology as well as the Sharda Medical College. I am also thankful to the Institute, Sharda University, for giving me this opportunity to speak on this subject, value and rights, and with the special reference to medical profession and doctors. ये presentation आगे बढ़ नहीं रहा presentation आगे budget. In my first slide, the Vasudev Kutumbakam, this is basically our Sanatan, the Hindu culture or Bharatiya Sabhyata main saying is there. The Vasudev Kutumbakam, the whole world is like a family. And with this, I am starting my presentation. These two sentences have been taken from Garuda Puran. Sarve bhavanti sukhina, sarve bhavanti niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhavet. O Lord, let all beings be happy and healthy. I wish well-being to all. Please think with love is truth. Thinking love is with truth. Feeling with love is peace. Acting with love is right conduct. And understanding with love is non-violence. Here in this picture, you are seeing one person is holding a doctor's bag. In fact, this reminds me of my childhood when my family used to call any doctor to our place to see my mother or us, and we used to be told at that point of time, please see off the doctor and you must carry the bag of the doctor. And these were the values and these were the teachings, beliefs and teachings at that point of time, in fact, during my childhood. Here now we are seeing in this picture the destruction all over, and when someone has torched this ambulance, you are seeing the fire tender, police, and each and everything, everywhere the destruction. And this picture is not far off. This basically from in the month of April or May, most probably. Here again, after 50 years, the role now, it is felt that the role has been changed. That the man who was carrying the bag, now he is carrying the stick in his hand. And the doctor's bag is in the doctor's hand. And he's running away for his life. What for he's running? He's running for his right to life, for his security, and for his safety. In this picture also, the medical staff of one of the hospitals, and they are being basically homage to one of during the violence during the last 2-3 months. In this picture, you can see for left side it is written the doctors ke achar din, and in the middle you are seeing there is one girl wearing the white coat and with the this pamphlet in her hand, the paper in her hand. Don't harm your lifesavers. This is the situation it has come. We are facing this situation as a doctor, or as a medical faculty, or as a hospital. On 18th of June 21, the Indian Medical Association, in fact, the situation has come this level. The Indian Medical Association at all India level, they had to agitate and they had to protest against the violence against the doctors, against accepted to think this thing to be people like this Mrs. Santosh Singh, who is an advocate, and she has filed PIL in Honorable Supreme Court, demanding we must introduce values, moral education to our children so that they become a good citizen once they become adult. And here the Honorable Supreme Court also accepts we lack expertise, but there can be no dispute about the need of providing value-based education. The Honorable Supreme Court has accepted this thing. But like the situation has come, we have to approach the Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court has to accept there is no dispute. The value education has to be provided, and that's the reason. In fact, I must thank Sharda University and the Sharda District that they have invited me to speak on this topic, value and rights. So what is values? Value means a कीमत. आप अगर हिंदी में हम बात करें, the value literally means something that has a price, something precious, dear and valuable. And the values are socially defined and accepted desires and goods that are internalized through the process of learning, socialization, and conditioning. The word learning, socialization, and conditioning, they are very, very important words in this definition of values. And the process of learning is the learning from the childhood. As soon as the child is born, since then, once the child sees, open his or her eyes, and they are exposed to the atmosphere, from that time the learning starts. And once the child becomes little bit and starts studying the thing, then the socialization, the child meets his own people and other people and out in the conditioning. You must be remembering during my childhood, we have heard Pavlov's conditioning reflex, basically Pavlov's conditioning reflex. Then nothing stand and the impression becomes, is long-lasting impression is there in our mind, how to behave and how to act. As regards the human values, these are basically beliefs, feelings, and attitudes towards things, situation, and other people. The human values are closely related to with human life. No human life is possible, in fact, without values. Human values are those universal concepts, drivers of actions, which are found in cultures, all societies, all times, and in all places. In fact, they are universal in nature. The human values are a set of consistent behaviors and measures that guide human beings in doing what is right, what is acceptable, what is right or what is wrong, and what is acceptable and not acceptable by the society. They attract, these values attracts dignity, respect, and appropriateness among people. And these values are used to set laws by most of the governments. What is universal value? The universal value is it has the same value or worth for all across the world, across all countries, culture, religion, sex, caste, creed, every. Two ways to understand universal value. First is when everybody finds it valuable. सबको पता हो कि इसकी बहुत कीमत है. And the second, when all people have reason to believe it, it has a value. In this slide, you can see I have written down the universal values and universal human rights. In fact, values leads to rights. Values leads to your adhikar, whatever values we follow in our life, and finally we expect from others in the form of those values and in the form of rights only. Like you can see that on my left, on the left of the slide, the truth, honesty, and integrity. It basically this sachai, imandari, and integrity की बात हो रही है. And these things, three things leads to human dignity. Human को एक इंसान को इंसान की तरीके से जानना, ट्रीट और उसको बिहेव करना और ट्रीट करना. अगर हम इंसान को इंसान की तरह से ट्रीट करेंगे, तभी जो है वो ह्यूमन डिग्निटी उसमें काउंट होती है. The second thing is the love, kindness, respect, and comparison. They lead to right to equality. Right conduct, dharma, जो हमारे धर्मों में भी कहा गया, धर्म मतलब रिलीजन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It is basically right conduct, and this leads to the justice, peace, patience, positiveness that lead to freedom and the liberty, and gratitude and thankfulness. It also lead to respect for human dignity as well as for everyone, including God. The tolerance, non-violence, and good health leads to coexistence. People should stay peacefully in society, coexistence, right, life and liberty. These are the basically universal human rights, which are included in our Indian Constitution also. Values of human rights, the basic rights, these are basic rights based on shared values like dignity, fairness, equality, respect, and independence. These values are defined and protected by law. There are three core values of rights. What are these core values? These values are they're universal and inalienable. They're independent. They are interdependent and indivisible. जिसको कोई छीन नहीं सकता, divide नहीं कर सकता. आप ये इतना ले लो, उतना ले लो, वो नहीं हो सकता. And equal and non-discriminatory. With all these values, they are equal and non-discriminatory, and finally leading to human rights. What are human rights? Human rights are right that all people have by virtue of being human being. तो जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि इंसान को इंसान की तरह से ट्रीट करना, इंसान की तरह से उसको डील करना, उसके साथ बिहेव करना, वही जो है ह्यूमन राइट्स है. बेसिकली these are natural rights, and nowadays आजकल जो लेटेस्ट नए समय के अंदर उन्हीं नेचुरल राइट्स को हम लोग ह्यूमन राइट्स बोलते हैं या अधिकार. The human rights are derived from inherent dignity of human person and are defined internationally, nationally, locally by various lawmaking bodies. Here in this picture, you are seeing the haphazard view of rights like prosperity, right for prosperity, equality, reliability, freedom, responsibility, peace, justice, faith, hope. But in both in this like one Karl Marx, and he has categorized, divided all these jumble of the rights into the three parts, and they are basically liberty, equality, and fraternity. In fact, liberty में in fact दो तीन घंटे पहले सोच रहा था कि liberty वर्ड कहाँ से आया. And in fact, ह्यूमन राइट्स में पढ़ाते हैं तो पहले अगर आपको ध्यान होगा कि पहले गुलामी हुआ करती थी लोगों को, जिसको स्लेवरी बोलते थे. एंड मतलब एक लोन किसी के ग्रैंडफादर ने लिया, पता लगा उसकी तीसरी या चौथी पांचवी पीढ़ी जो है वो गुलामी की जिंदगी जी रही है, स्लेवरी की जिंदगी जो रही है. एंड उसी को रिमूव करने के लिए आई थिंक उसी से ये वर्ड, उसी का जो था लिबरेशन फ्रॉम स्लेवरी से आई थिंक ये वर्ड इस्तेमाल हुआ. एंड द लिबर्टी जो है, दीज आर बेसिकली सिविल एंड पॉलिटिकल राइट्स. एंड सेकंड जो क्लासिफिकेशन इज पार्ट इज इक्वालिटी, इकोनॉमिकल इक्वालिटी, social equality, as well as the cultural equality. And these, in fact, when I did my human rights, this third fraternity, the right of fraternity, in fact, these were not, I think, I don't remember if I have gone through these rights. But nowadays, these are basically common community rights at large, very, very large scale. You can see here in this slide. So when a child is born, जब एक बच्चा पैदा होता है, and उस समय पे that child is never, he is not aware कि what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. And the child born with a clean slate, anything can be written on that. And what is requirement of that child when born? The child requires the basic rights of roti, kapda, makan, right to food, clothing, and shelter, right to life. जीने का अधिकार उसको चाहिए, and liberty, and free from slavery, basically the freedom to move. The child requires freedom to move and expression, whatever he wants to say within limits. He must say that thing. He must express his feelings. Right to privacy, right to property, and once the child becomes adult, the right to voting and form his own government. Then the second thing is what other rights, what are social, economic, and cultural rights which are included in the equality? The right to education. The bacha wants education, and right to work. Once he becomes the age of attain the age of working, the right to social security, which we are demanding as an adult, as a doctor, as a medical fraternity, the right to social security as well as personal security, right to equal pay for equal work, right to marriage and maternity benefit, and the right to cultural life, अपनी culture के हिसाब से जीने का अधिकार. And the last one, the third aspect is the collective and solidarity rights. These are basically right to development, right to peace. विकास जो Prime Minister मोदी जी बोलते हैं कि विकास के नाम पे हम लोग काम करेंगे. The right to development, right to peace, right to healthy environment, and this COVID period, last 1.5 years, right to protection against COVID pandemic. And here basically what values are? We value the mass vaccination. If we go for the mass vaccination, then the right to protection against COVID-19 will be there for whole world, including India and including itself. Essence of Qurans, and these are basically like as we are aware, Ved Vyas, he has written 18 Qurans, and someone has asked me, okay, what is the essence of, you have written 18 Qurans, what is the essence of that Quran? And in one sentence he told, Paropkarya punya papya parapidam. Like if you do good to, अगर आप परोपकार करेंगे तो पुण्य है, अगर आप पाप करेंगे तो ये पीड़ा देंगे, ये sin है, ये गलत काम है. In other words, if you do good things to others so that they are happy and they get benefited by your acts, it would be termed as upkar and gets you punya, paropkar punya. If you do bad things to others so that they suffer misery and sorrow at your hands, it is termed as pida and gets you pap and sin. Here in this picture, you are seeing one of the politicians, he is declaring free something, electricity, free water, free this thing. And you know, what is the meaning, what is the value of this free? Free means, if you talk in the terms of economics, free means zero. You won't have to pay anything. Free. But last 1.5 years or last 2 months or 2.5 months, April, May, and June, what we have seen, the value of this free, it was basically it was too much. You see here, these two boys, they are carrying a heavy cylinder, type D cylinder, heavy cylinder. I don't think at my age I can carry this heavy cylinder. What they are carrying? Are they carrying water in it? Are they carrying electricity in it? Or they are carrying just hawa, air, oxygen? Air, oxygen is easily available. God has given freely, and it is available in the atmosphere, in the air. And these two boys, what value they are carrying for what these people are paying? The people have paid. They paid for the free thing, like which have been the value of free, and now they are paying in the form of carrying oxygen and in the form of. Again, here in this slide also, there is a person sitting along the fence and is basically gasping, and someone is helping him out, giving him oxygen, that is air, which is freely available in the atmosphere. In this picture also, you are seeing people are there with the cylinders, and I think most of the people are talking on telephone, on mobile. What they are talking? They are just talking. They are requesting somebody. Their people, known, unknown, and whosoever give them any reference. Yeah, oxygen milli. Here also in this thing, you are seeing the destruction. In this also, it is the picture from the Mahabharata, and the destruction is there. And now in this picture, there is Lord Krishna and Arjuna. You are seeing Bhagwan or इंसान को आप देख रहे हैं, and इस picture में what is the value this picture is showing? A friend is supporting his friend, and he wants to take him out of the sorrow and depression and all, so that he does his work, he does his dharma, he does the right conduct. What are the bad values as per Bhagavad Gita? And bad values, in fact, these are the common bad values, जिसमें काम, क्रोध, मोह, लोभ, ईर्ष्या, अहंकार and पीड़ा, मोह. In fact, 2-3 दिन पहले ही मैं कोई एक वीडियो सुन रहा था, and उसमें ये बताया गया कि मोह जो है ये एक ऐसी चीज है, ऐसा फीलिंग है या ऐसा वैल्यू है कि जिसमें अगर मोह आपका काम वो पूरा हो गया तो आपको क्या, तो सेकंड बैड वैल्यू आ जाती है low, greed, and if the more is not fulfilled, then another value comes, that anger and growth. All these things are interrelated. Now I must explain something. What I understand regarding love and moh. The love comes from within. The kindness leads to the love. As regards the moh is concerned, the anguish, pida, leads to the moh. The God gives him all pleasure. If I want to give love someone, I request God, I pray to God, God give him all pleasures. But here in moh, wherever moh is there, I tell I will give him all pleasure. And like suppose moh, son के प्रति मोह है, जैसे कि महाभारत का अगर कारण देखे तो that blind man Dhritarashtra, he had not love, he had moh with his son Duryodhana, and in this I will provide, my son should have pride on me. That was the feeling of Dhritarashtra. And as regards the love is concerned, I should be proud of my son. This is show the love. And the love teaches, another thing is that teaches sacrifice, but the more teaches non-separation. And the love finally, ultimately teaches the dharma, right conduct, and the moho leads to the adharma or unrighteous conduct. If you have moho towards your son, if you are more towards your position and any property and all, and to achieve that thing, and people are ready to do the unrighteous act. Here, anger, you are seeing in this picture the anger, and you can see fire, people are running around, they are throwing stones and all. This is Assam in the month of May only. In this picture, you are seeing a young doctor intern just born from medical college, and he has been put on duty. And because of, and what was his fault? He was doing his duty. He was treating the patient, and the COVID patient, he has died. But what has he got in return? And you can see in this picture a lot of this thing there. He was beaten up like anything, and hospital. So why do in this picture you can say what we are facing at this point of time as a medical professionals? Here, greed. I have already explained regarding this thing related to lobe and Mo and lobe and this thing, and the free bijli and pani and seva, and what finally what we have paid in the form of paid for the what was the result of that greed of free pani and bijli and travel and all. The money has gone somewhere else, and whatever, like if suppose that money has been used for installation of oxygen plants and everything and making hospitals and all, I think itna so much of aaka ye shayad dekhne ke liye at least come se Delhi mein ya Delhi ke aas paas NCR here also. And for that, the result of that free is the oxygen in air which is freely available, and this politician is telling everything, each and every resource have been put in to carry or to give supply oxygen to each and every patient. कबीर जी ने क्या बोला था कि काम क्रोध मद लोभ की जब जब हटने लागे खान, कहे कबीरा मूर्ख पंडित दोनों एक समान. मतलब ये कितना अच्छा कबीरदास जी बोल गए थे कि जब ये वैल्यूज ऑफ काम क्रोध मद लोभ जब ये इंसान के अंदर जब ये बहुत ज्यादा भर जाते हैं, तो जो पढ़ा लिखा और मूर्ख दोनों एक ही समान हो जाते हैं. उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं होता. वट एवर एक्शन जो वो इंसान करता है उससे नुकसान ही होगा, उससे डिस्ट्रक्शन ही होगा. Then what is the solution? Please follow the good values, and the basic, the universal good values are 5 ही वैल्यू होती है यूनिवर्सल: ट्रुथ, लव, right conduct, non-violence, and peace. And as regards our medicos are concerned, follow medical ethics by making them as values like non-maleficence, do not do harm, beneficence, do good only, justice and equality, and I'm seeing patients in giving our services without any discrimination of age, sex, caste, creed, and the Amir Garib, whatever is there. Good values. Little bit regarding the good values. These 5 good values which can be found in all cultures, all societies, in all regions, everywhere. These are truth, honesty and integrity, life conduct, right conduct, love, prem, shanti and ahimsa. These values are eternal. They are from inside, and they are essential essence, eternal essence, which elevate human life to its highest expression and its highest capacity. These are basically the rights associated, values associated with the basic, these universal values. Truth, honesty, integrity. Learning to speak the truth is first and vital step in the formation of strong character. Voicing an untruth is an antisocial act and causes confusion in the mind of both speaker and listener and leads to antisocial behavior. Telling lies hurts ourselves as well as others in a subtle but very real way. Love, I have already spoken a lot of thing about the love. Love is basically giving an unselfish act. It is basically godly act and form within right dharma, right conduct, right conduct to achieve non-violence and peace. What is right conduct is then from we receive information from our 5 senses: the smell, taste, sight, touch, and hearing. And once they go to the brain, and the brain analyzes all the whatever the senses. And when this information refer to the conscience, and the resulting action will be the beneficial or unbeneficial based on our values. Every action is preceded by a thought. If thought is consciously seen and noted, it aims to assist and is unselfish, and the action will be good for oneself and others. If our minds are busy, or we are daydreaming, the action may be useless, clumsy, or harmful to ourselves or others. Here we are seeing the other medical fraternity, they are doing their right conduct, they are following their dharma. In this picture also, the medical fraternity, medical people, they are doing their dharma. Here in this, the vaccination, it is a picture of one of the vaccination center. Here, like when this vaccination was introduced by the government, and at that point of time, most of the people, काफी लोग ऐसे थे कि जो उसके अगेंस्ट में थे, कैसे वैक्सीनेशन ना लगे, वो इवन यहाँ तक था कि भाई वैक्सीनेशन जो है को पॉलिटिशियंस क्यों नहीं लगाते. इनफैक्ट आपको सुखद आश्चर्य होगा और अच्छी अनुभूति होती होगी कि अवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी, इन्होंने कौन सा लगवाया, इन्होंने वैक्सीन लगवाया जो कि हैदराबाद के अंदर हमारी अपनी कंट्री के अंदर डेवलप हुआ था कोवैक्सीन, ठीक. और जिसके ये ही है, मतलब he has shown his values, he has shown his commitment towards the humanity and the people of this country. Here in this poster, we are, as Medico, we are showing our values. We are telling, we stay here for you. We want to we want to serve you. We want to do our dharma. We want to do our right, our duty. But please stay home. For us, what is peace? The next thing is, what is peace? Peace is one of the, it is value as well as the right also. The freedom from disturbance is peace. So when people are able to resolve their conflict without violence and can work together to improve the quality of their lives, the inner agitation, when inner agitation stops and we are left feeling peaceful. When there is peace in the individual, there will be peace in the family, and then when the peace in the family, then there will be peace in the society, then there will be peace in the community, and when there is peace in the community, then there will be peace in the state, and then when there is peace in the state, then there will be peace in the country, and when there is peace in the country, we can expect the peace in whole world, like the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam with this non-violence. When the former 4 values are practiced, then we can achieve non-violence, and that is conscious mind is keenly aware, love is flowing, there is peace and action are right, and life is lived without harming and violating anything else. It is the non-violence is the highest achievement of human life, human living, and encompasses the respect for all lives living in harmony and nature, not hurting by thought, words, or deeds. There are 2 aspects non-violence. The psychological aspect is compassion, love, compassion, kindness, respect for all. And the social aspect is the appreciation for all cultures and religions and caring for the environment. Medical ethics as values. Following principles of medical ethics are as values. We must follow these principles, and the basic principles are autonomy, the patient's right to refuse or choose, non-maleficence, do no harm, beneficence, do good, acha kaam, matlab only good to the patient, and the confidentiality, equity, or justice. Please don't criticize your profession. As a doctor, what we have seen or have seen nowadays, please don't criticize your profession, doctors and hospitals. Don't explain too much to the patient. This is my feeling last 2.5 months, which I have seen as a CEO and medical director. बहुत ज़्यादा जो है हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कि सेलुलर बिलिरुबिन इतना है और क्रिएटिनिन इतना है और वो है, उसमें क्या है कि पेशेंट अटेंडेंट जो है, हम तो एक पहली बात तो उनको एक तरह से वो साइकोलॉजिकली डर जाते हैं, फियर में जाते हैं, फिर दैट दे स्टार्ट चेंजिंग द मेडिकल फैकल्टी डॉक्टर्स, एंड देन वी आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्लेन ऑन डे-to-day basis or time to time. Fight for justice with an unity and consistency. Laboratory of good values and rights. कहाँ पे सिखाएंगे हम ये वैल्यूज को अपने बच्चों को और अपने, तो जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि जब चाइल्ड पैदा होता है तो उसका जो माइंड होता है वो बेसिकली जो है बिल्कुल ब्लैंक प्लेन स्लेट की तरह से होता है, बिल्कुल वाइट होता है, उसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं. फिर वो देखता है, पूरे अपने माँ बाप को देखता है, अपने एल्डर्स को देखता है, भाई बहन पड़ोसी सबको देखता है, एंड फाइनली जो है, तो बेसिकली क्या है, तो बच्चा, वो जो बच्चा है, द बिहेवियर ऑफ एल्डर्स इन फैमिली अफेक्ट्स थॉट्स। तो जो बिहेवियर है अडल्ट्स का, जो उसके माँ बाप का, उसके भाई बहनों का, चाचा ताऊ बच्चों का, वो उसकी थॉट्स को अफेक्ट करता है एंड बिलीव्स को अफेक्ट करता है एंड एक्शन ऑफ द चाइल्ड, एंड अल्टीमेटली दैट कन्वर्ट दोस थॉट्स, बिलीव्स, कंडीशनिंग of his mind and lead to the action of the child. Hence, the family is the first laboratory for moral education,
ऐसे देखते रहना।
first teacher for the moral education. The next come the education institutions, LKG, low KG, primary school से लेकर के and the professional institutions तक, each and every institution, they are supposed to be, if they are supposed to be teaching good values. And one, how can we teach good values? By doing the right things, by doing the by following the basic universal values of 5 जो मैंने बताई थी, honesty, integrity, love, affection, and right conduct, peace, and non-violence. The professional institutions also, like the medical college, engineering college, and management, they are also these professional. There should be in medical ethics. There should be classes on these things, so that the medical professional, the young medical, when he comes out of the college, he is aware what are values, what are his duties, what are his rights, and the next come the society or the community, your own society where you live, your own village where you live, and community where you live, interact on daily basis with each other. Local government, your local government, your state government, your national government, and the non-governmental organization जो काम करते हैं, religious discourses, games at all level, like from मोहल्ला, the games at बच्चों का जो मोहल्ले से लेकर के, and the school games and college games, state games, national and international games, सब में like the good values, and if you inculcate, we follow the good values, then ये automatically उस बच्चे के इंसान के दिमाग के अंदर ये गुड वैल्यूज घर करती हैं, और उसके एक्शन फिर उसी टाइप से जो है राइट एक्शन की तरफ जाता है। देन रिलीजियस एंड अदर सोशल फंक्शंस, चाहे वो किसी भी रिलीजन के हो, किसी भी फंक्शन के अंदर ये नहीं बताया जाता है कि भी आप ये चीज खराब है, तो उनको अगर हम प्रॉपरली फॉलो करें, बताएं बच्चों को, चाहे सोशल फंक्शन हो, तो उससे वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा एक क्या कहते हैं तरीका है वैल्यूज को डेवलप करने का। बट लास्ट जो मेरे दिमाग में आया था वो मीडिया है, लाइक टीवी, मूवीज, प्रिंट एंड सोशल मीडिया। इनफैक्ट मैं एक किसी ने मेरे पास में एक व्हाट्सएप पे एक क्लिप भेजा था, एंड उसमें दिखा रहे थे कि किस तरीके से ये मीडिया जो होता है डिफेम कर रहा है मेडिकल फैटर्निटी को और डॉक्टर्स को, कि भाई किसी पेशेंट को लेके जा रहे हैं एंड देन वो मरे हुए कोई दिलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, दे आर चार्जिंग समथिंग that sort of thing. मुझे इनफैक्ट मुझे उस मूवी का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है, एंड तो उसमें लाइक मीडिया हैज ए ग्रेट रोल। अगर वो नेगेटिव ही चीज बताएंगे तो फिर नेगेटिव चीज दिमाग में पड़ेगी, और किसके दिमाग में पड़ेगी? आम जनता के, बच्चों के दिमाग में जो उस वीडियो को या उस मूवी को देख रहा है। So basically the great role of media, they must show, in fact they must show the good things. In fact last 2 to 3 months also, जैसे जब भी हम टीवी खोलते थे या जब भी हमें टाइम मिलता था तो हम यही देखते थे कि वो बीजरी दिखाते थे। कहीं पे बहुत ही कम जगह पे, बहुत ही कम उसमें ये दिखाया गया कि जो मेडिकल फैटर्निटी जो इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है, कितना ये लोग 24 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट मैं अगर आपको अपना एग्जांपल दूं तो मैं इनफैक्ट अप्रैल और मई के अंदर जो था, मैंने एक दिन की भी मिस नहीं किया था हॉस्पिटल जाने के लिए। जो मैंने नहीं मिस किया तो मेरा जो कंसल्टेंट्स थे, मेरे जो स्टाफ थे, मेरा जो इनफैक्ट GDA और हाउसकीपिंग पीपल, each and everyone used to come on time. They used to do duty. In fact, sometimes, there was an evening when it was raining heavily, and in fact, I just passed one message that the evening duty staff, they are requested to do the night duty also, and unless until the night people come, and everybody without any this thing. So nobody shows all these things. Not like this media, whether it is print media, movie or TV and social media, everywhere you are saying the negative things. I request people, I request basic medical fraternity, non-medical fraternity, media people and families and school teachers, each and everyone, please share positive things regarding each and everything in life. Please watch for basically your thought for peace, words for truth, character for love, action for right conduct, and heart for non-violence. Satya Sai Baba has said these things. Mahatma Gandhi has said, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words, and your words become your actions. Your action become your habit, and your habit become your values, and your values become your destiny. This is one of the videos I wanted to show you. I think इसकी साउंड का अगर हो सकता है तो देखिए पेस्ट कर दियो
Audio is not there, Shalini. Audio is not coming. No.
वापस जाओ presentation. You have just seen this video. I think audio वहाँ पे नहीं पहुँच रही होगी. And the sense of this video shown, like basically purpose of showing this video was there. This is 98 years old lady, and young girl is interviewing this lady and asking her, what have you done in your life, and what is your message to the young people of the world. And this, whatever I have understood by seeing this video, the first thing is never run away from work. The first message this old lady has given, the never run away from work, and this can be considered as most very important value in life. The second thing the old lady has told, the individual responsibility, and it is basically the individual responsibility is also one of the each and every one follow the individual responsibility as his or her value and in life. And the third one was this lady, the 98-year-old lady, thanked that young girl for interviewing her. It means showing gratitude towards each and everything. And I request each and everyone for your right to life, value the prevention protocols of COVID-19 appropriate behavior. Please wear a mask, clean your hands, maintain safe distance, stay at home if not necessary, and get vaccinated if we want right to life. Right to life. And thank you. I have finished, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Gehlot. That was an excellent talk. And first, I want to ask one thing. Is there anything in the Constitution which says about human values? Any protection?
Yes. The Constitution of India, basically, as everybody is aware, Dr. was basically the president of the committee, and which I think each and every rights given in this thing, that the fundamental, like the natural rights have been given in the form of fundamental rights in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. But from where those things have come from, they have come from the values of life, and as I already told you, the honesty, integrity, and truth, and basically love and affection. Honesty, integrity, and truth. That human dignity comes from that thing, and the right to dignity has been given in this Indian Constitution, and right to right to life, right to liberty. So basically, values are based on the human values only. The right Indian Constitution have been framed, and for the benefit of all people of the countries.
Okay, thank you. Dr. Monica.
Thank you for the excellent presentation, sir, and a very good coverage of the topic. I'm sure the audience has benefited a lot from this astounding session. Thank you for your valuable time, sir. We look forward to having more such fruitful sessions with you in the near future.
Thank you, ma'am. I again thank you for the universities, or the medical college, as well as the Department of Ophthalmology, and each and everyone for inviting me for giving this talks.
Thank you, sir.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you to our patrons, Mr. P.K. Gupta, sir, and Dr. Manisha Jindal, ma'am, our convener, Dr. J.L. Goel, sir, our co-convener, Dr. Abha Gehlot, ma'am, without whom this webinar would not have been possible. I would also like to thank, lastly, to our participants for their presence and making this webinar a success. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, then we will close this talk today. Thank you, everyone.
Recording stopped.